Hi, so today I'm going to show you how to install the base of the Clek Liing infant car seat using the UAS System latch. So to do this, you just have to, you see this white button, you put it, it shows a red, and you drag this out. You repeat it on the other side as well, this, and you drag it out. So then also you want to make sure you remove the load leg, which is located underneath the car seat. To remove the leg, you just do this, pull, and that's it. So once that is done, you need to align the US latch with the latch in your system. It's pretty straightforward. Once you align it, you just need to push, align it, push, it has clicked. So once you see this is no longer showing red, it's clicked. But then you see there's a little space here, so we need to make sure it's snug fit to the vehicle. So I move this and push back. Perfect. So now it's gonna need to change back to the white. Yes, so it's good. So it's installed. It's been installed correctly with the UAS system. The next thing, you need to make sure you do the install the load leg. And once it's done, you need to ensure that this part is green. So to align the load leg with your vehicle, you pull this out, you drag this, and once it's gotten to the bottom, you need to make sure it turns green to means it's okay. Yes. So yeah, once it turns green, then you know it's installed correctly. And after that, all you need to do is to put your car seat on top. That's how you install the base of your Clek Liing infant car seat.